Now I'm going to speak about tire tread on your vehicle. Now, as you can see here, this is pretty much a brand new tire. So this has got a good amount of tread on it. So what you can do, there's the old trick that older fellas teach you. You can take a penny and then stick Abraham Lincoln down in there, and you can barely see his face. Then you have like a good amount of tread. But as far as this other tire I have here, as you can see, the tread is almost completely gone. Then another thing, by looking at the tread, you can also see how like your alignment and how your vehicle sits. As you can see, the back side of this tire is almost completely worn out. So that would mean that the car is sitting this way, and that will cause the tire to wear unevenly. So pretty much if you were to go that, you would not be able to get the car inspected with this tire on. So you want to make sure that you have the proper alignment on your vehicle whenever you do get new tires, so that they're not wear unevenly. Then sometimes if the alignment is off very badly, you will get a wavy fashion across the tread. And this is another problem. This could cause a vibration as you're driving down the street from this being chopped up in this fashion. That's usually what they call tire chop. So this tire looks pretty good right here, and this is how your tire should look, and it seems to have even wear. And that concludes dealing with tire tread on your automotive vehicle.